Assalamu alaikum. Today we're going to take the formal and informal ways of saying thank you. The first one is eyvallah. Eyvallah, which is said by men. So you never hear a woman saying eyvallah, and even it is not said from a man to a woman. This word is used both for thank you and also while going away, like a goodbye. Another informal way is harikasın, harikasın, which literally means awesome. Harikasın. This is another way to say thank you. The third way is eline sağlık, eline sağlık, which literally means health to your hands. If you were invited to your friend's house and they made food for you, instead of saying thank you, you just say eline sağlık, and this is another way or informal way to thank that person. We have another word that you always hear is sağ ol. Sağ ol, which means literally be alive. Sağ ol. Or you can say çok sağ ol. Çok, as you know, means a lot. One example is şu defteri verebilir misin? Can you give this copybook? Tabii, of course. And how do you thank him? Sağ ol or çok sağ ol. A formal and an informal way to thank is çok teşekkürler. Çok teşekkürler, which means thank you very much. Now we've talked about eline sağlık. The formal way of this word is elinize sağlık. If you want to say this word in a formal way, you say elinize sağlık. Now we come to the formal ways of thanking someone. We have the first one, teşekkür ederim. Teşekkür ederim. The second one is used both in formal and informal way, teşekkürler. Teşekkürler. And this word is used a lot. Next, çok naziksiniz. Çok naziksiniz, which literally means you are very nice. And also, as we took before, sağ ol. Now the formal way of sağ ol is sağ olun. Sağ olun. Now, how do you say you are welcome? We have ne demek? Bir şey değil. This is how we say bir şey değil or bir şey değil. Both of them mean it's nothing. I didn't do anything in other words. It's nothing. And also how to say you are welcome. Rica ederim. Rica ederim. These three ways are said when you want to tell someone you are welcome. Now tell me, which way do you use when you want to thank someone? Is it the formal way or informal way? And which word do you mostly use?